Hi, friends. I'm so glad you came here today. You know, sometimes I like to relax by listening to the sound of a bell or just be quiet. But other times, what I really like to do is take something called a guided meditation. Would you like to try it with me? So, first thing I'd like you to do is uncross your legs. And if your feet can reach the ground, that's wonderful. If not, just sit up in a comfortable position. Breathe. Relax your shoulders, maybe even move them around a little. There you go. Now don't fall asleep on me because I want you to listen to this story because we're going to go to a wonderful place together. So in your mind's eye, I want you to picture that you are very safe in your home or your apartment, but you're curious about something outside. So let's do this. Let's open our front door. It's okay, it's safe. Mom and Dad have given you permission. And we're going to walk outside, and it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Or a spring day if you prefer, or a fall day. It's any day you want it to be. I take a walk down my road or on the sidewalk. Let's stay on the sidewalk and be safe. And all of a sudden, my sidewalk starts to change into a country road. It's true. There's trees everywhere around me, tall ones. Are those redwoods? Those are huge. Wow. Keep walking. Hey, you see that path ahead? That dirt path? Let's take it. Okay, so off to the right we go onto a dirt path, and all of a sudden we're finding ourselves in the forest. There's trees everywhere and birds singing. This feels wonderful and safe too. So as we keep walking, we see off to our left a rocky path. It's leading somewhere. I'm curious. Do you want to come with me? Let's see where it's going. So we move to our left down a rocky path, and it's making crunchy noises under our feet as we're walking down. Once again, we can see the trees and we can hear the birds now singing lovely songs. And ahead of us, looks like a tunnel made out of rock. Let's check that out because I can see through the other end of the tunnel. There's a bright light and I want to see what's on the other end. So together, let's walk, 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 walk towards that tunnel. And once we're inside, it's all rock around us and underneath us too. So it makes an echoey sound when we move our feet. Cool. And up ahead, there's that light I was talking about. And when we come to the other end, you know where we are? We are in your garden. Your paradise place. A place that's where you can go to be safe and comfortable and feel loved at any time. Now, in my garden, I see these trees with big, huge leaves. Maybe they're palm trees. And there's lots of colors. And there's birds singing and maybe a babbling stream down the way. For you, it might be a winter place. Or for somebody else, it could be on the beach or in the mountains. It doesn't make any difference because it's your place. And I'm going to look at my stream, see if you see a stream too. And I see the water going over the rocks continuously, smoothing that rock out, moving over the rocks and down. And I take a deep breath. It looks like this place has been here forever, and it will be here forever for you. For any time you are feeling feelings that you might want to limit or calm down, perhaps you're angry or you're sad or scared, you can come back to this place. It's all yours to visit when you need it and to breathe, to look around you, and to smell the sounds. But for now that you know where it is, we're going to go back towards home. So let's turn around and move back towards that tunnel. And as we get into the tunnel, once again, it's the one with all the rocks. We're going to hear the crunchy sound under our feet. And we're moving towards the forest on the other end. And as we get on that rocky path, we can hear the birds once again singing and see that the trees have gone back to the pine trees we remember when we first entered this path. And now, oh, there's that redwood. I remember those redwood trees. Do you remember those? We're definitely going the right way. And that'll remind us when we want to get back here what we have to look for. So let's get back on the dirt path, moving up towards the country road, and start moving towards home. And as we start moving towards home, the scene slowly shifts, as you're ready, towards your sidewalk or towards the street where you live. And we see the door to our apartment or to our home, and we walk up to it, and we know we're safe. We open the door, safer still, and we greet everybody we see with a beautiful smile, because that's what's beautiful inside of us. Thanks for going on this journey with me. Hope to see you again there soon.